AR Falezzo, budget-friendly holiday resort with luxury suites, swimming pool and banquet hall, Village Road, Anantapuram, Pondicherry.
For over 1,000 years, across the shifting kingdoms of South India, a weaving tradition survived. Through the rise and fall of dynasties, migration, and change, its guardians preserved a craft believed to be sacred. At the heart of this remarkable journey stands the Devanga. Devanga is a weaving community spread across Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Although regional languages, customs, and occupations have evolved over time, weaving remains central to their historical identity. Across South India, Devanga weavers have contributed to diverse textile traditions shaped by regional culture, patronage, and market demands. The history of the Devanga begins in the Deccan region of present-day Karnataka. By the early medieval period, the Devangas were closely associated with the Chalukya dynasty, where trade, temple patronage, and urban growth supported weaving communities. Among Karnataka textile traditions, the Ilakal sari occupies a special place in its cultural heritage. Originating in the town of Ilakal, this sari is distinguished by its unique tope teni weaving technique. Devanga weavers were among the communities that sustained this Ilkal tradition for centuries. The origins of the Devanga community are preserved in the Devanga Purana. According to this tradition, the community traces its ancestry to Devla Maharshi, who received the divine knowledge of weaving and passed it on to his descendants. The name Devanga is often interpreted as those who are part of the divine, reflecting the belief that weaving is not merely an occupation but a sacred responsibility. At the heart of the Devanga spiritual tradition stands Chaudeshwari Amman, the clan deity and guardian of their dharma. Temples dedicated to the goddess continue to serve as important centers of worship and community life. Over time, Chaudeshwari Amman temples developed into Devanga monasteries, institutions that connected dispersed communities through shared rituals, festivals, and oral traditions across South India. Historical evidence suggests that Devanga weavers were part of medieval merchant guilds, as mentioned in Chalukya, Hoysala, and Vijayanagar inscriptions. These records point to organized weaving communities that were integrated into the structured economic life. During the 12th century, the Lingayat movement emerged across the Deccan, and sections of the Devanga community gradually adopted its philosophy while retaining elements of their earlier traditions. Theyavara Dasimaya, a 12th century weaver saint associated with the Vachana movement, transformed the act of weaving into a spiritual expression and emphasized the principle that work itself is worship. During the later medieval period, the migration of the Devanga community gained momentum as political change and new centers of patronage created opportunities for skilled weavers. A distinctive dialect of Kannada, often referred to as Devanga Kannada, was historically spoken by the Devangas. As the community migrated across South India, regional variations gradually emerged, while the dialect retained core Kannada linguistic features and absorbed influences from neighboring languages. For centuries, Devangas have shaped South India's textile traditions, Ilakal in Karnataka, Pochampalli and Venkatgiri in Andhra Pradesh, and handloom traditions associated with Kerala's Kasvu saris. Across regions and generations, Devangas have preserved their weaving heritage and contributed to India's textile economy.